Okay, okay. So, I'm Neelam Dhingra. I am from Delhi, and this this time I am an English teacher, and we both are YouTubers. And our motto to upload English content for the English learner. And these days I am taking spoken classes also for beginners. This is
Oh,
nutshell introduction from my side.
oh, very
And
nice.
this little bit I want to listen to you also, ma'am, please.
Okay, okay, very nice. Your introduction very nice, very appealing one. Okay,
Thank
so
you.
I'm Alpha, and I'm calling you from Lucknow, the capital city of UP. Yeah, so yeah, I think that's it. And about my hobbies, I love to read, and when I feel stressed out, so I listen to my favorite songs, and I play chess also sometimes. Yeah, and
Oh,
I have my channel, and my channel name is Rise with Alka, where I'm uploading conversational videos. So that's it.
fantastic, ma'am, fantastic.
Yeah. So Neelam, I have few questions for you, right? And
Sure.
in between, you can also ask me something to make it more interesting, right?
Okay, ma'am.
So, like, okay, you are a teacher. You told me, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, so how does it feel to be back after? How does it feel for you to be back after so many days you had a holiday? And when once again you join the school, how you feel after a long time?
Yeah, ma'am, little bit hard to join me again because it's happened after when we have the holiday, we are full at enjoyment. So
Yes,
when we have to leave our comfortable zone and next again we have to join, it's a bit hard. But anyhow, our mind actually have become habitual of this thing. We have to join on the Monday after having a Saturday, Sunday. So this is
yes.
now we hostile this habit, ma'am.
Yeah, I think for the kids, like for the kids and the school
Yeah.
children, they
Yeah,
find it.
yeah, yeah. No,
Yeah,
we know the what the matter, what is good and what is bad. So this is not good, big thing for us, man.
yes, right, right. I feel very pity. See, after such a long break, when children go to school, and I think for the first few days, they bother their parents. Like I'm talking about the
Yeah.
younger kids who
Yes,
are
yes.
younger, and the like in class 8th or ninth student, they can understand they have to go to school. But the younger ones, no, they feel very bad. I really feel very pity when I see them. The mothers are like telling them to get up in the morning, and they are habitual of sleeping late hours in the vacation time, right?
Yes, 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 yes,
Yeah,
ma'am. Right, right. Absolutely right.
yeah, yeah. So, like, what kind of a person you are? Let me know in few sentences. Neelam, I know you that you are a teacher, and you look by face you look very kind to me, very generous.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So, in your words, I want to know in your words that what kind of a person you think that you are.
Yes, ma'am. If I talk about myself, when I feel that sometime when I very much, but I have decided when I want to complete, it means I feel that yes, I am determined person. And when I never feel lazy in front of work, when I feel to do my practice all the time, when I feel that it is compulsory to learn it, and I have to be master in any skill, then I feel that yes, I am like competent because I know I have to follow. I follow, then I feel that yes, I am a consistent person also as well. Someone asks me some help, then my heart immediately melt. It's a true, ma'am. It's true. And I am always about a step forward to help them, whether they are a friend or not. Sometimes then I feel that I never analyze myself, but now I'm analyzing by doing this action that yes, I am little bit somehow I want to help others. It means I have soft corner for others, man. So
Yeah.
I'm hustler also because at my previous channel when deleted because of the virus, I feel upset only to 2 days because 400 subscribers I lost. That time I felt bad, upset. But anyhow, I don't know myself. But did I come to know myself that yes, I'm a hustler person because then my heart little bit upset for 1 day. Next day I'm again started. Then I feel that I'm resilient also. and ready to put to hard work again. It means I'm hustler also. Even though I not to know about this thing,
Yeah,
this thing. Now this when I came across some hurdles and challenges, then I feel that yes, never I estimate myself. But now because of this thinking, things I came to know that what kind of person I am now. I can.
you are a resilient person. I mean, that situation you had a tough time or when you lost so many subscribers of yours, but after that you bounced back again, and once again you are afresh. Like, yeah. It's
Yes.
good, like it's not good to brood over something. Like, you have faced
Yeah.
a difficult time, and
Yeah.
instead of brooding all the time and thinking about that, overthinking, so
No.
you
Yeah.
will lose peace of mind.
Peace
So
of mind present, the time we have I'm best if I brooding over all the time the past what happened, my present will I will lose my present, the
yeah,
time which I this is time to go forward. I if I draining my time into past, then it means I am literally draining my auspicious time, like it
yes,
means I am draining my success.
right, really,
Yes, yes,
yeah, yeah. So you teach English to your
yes, ma'am.
okay, okay. So to which classes, Neelam?
Up to 8th standard, 7th standard, ma'am. Mostly
Okay,
8th standard, but never I get 8th standard. But I have never offered for the 8th standard. But I have already registered this thing in the staff, in the organized administration groups cabin that just I want to do. So this is the next process, ma'am.
so Neelam, it's been how long that you are teaching in a school?
I have been in this profession, ma'am, for 3 years, ma'am.
Okay, for 3 years.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very nice. Okay. So is your school close by to your home or it's far away?
No, ma'am, it's very close, ma'am. It's only 15 minutes on foot, ma'am. I can
Oh,
go, yeah, on 15 minutes only. It's not
okay.
too far away.
Yeah, that's convenient. If you live
So,
in a house, it's very convenient.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, so for my next question would be one lesson that life has taught you.
Life has taught me one lesson that never bend, never available for everyone to every time.
Yes,
Never,
absolutely.
never available because never the people you don't get every time good people. Some people are very good. They know your feelings and emotions, but some people they try to trick you. They try to dupe you. They try to make fool you. So
Yes,
this thing, I taught from my challenges, my past life that never available for every time for everyone, ma'am. That first you analyze whether it is good or not, whether it is important or not.
true.
Where
Yes,
should be kind or we should not be kind. You should be analyzed before going to ahead, ma'am. Singly, this kind of things I uh, take the lesson from my previous part of life.
yeah, very nice reply. Yeah, your answer was very nice, Neelam. That we shouldn't be always telling yes and yes to everyone. It's very difficult. Sometimes we should also know how to say no to somebody, right? It's very difficult. Yeah, we should be like blunt sometimes. We need to be that
We
kind
have
of.
to learn, we have to. Otherwise, people make fool. If you are all the time bending in front of them, they don't. They use them. They take the advantage of your sincerity and
Absolutely.
sensitivity and you are so sensitive and innocent. They take the advantage of your innocence. So that's the reason. A lot of things I uh, taught from my previous part of my life, man.
Yeah, so true. We need to adjust according to the situation, right? And my husband being a banker, so sometimes though he knew the person very well, but he knows that that work I can't do that work, and he would bluntly say no, it's not for me. Then I would say, like, how bluntly you said no, and you know him very well. He's your friend. How dare you tell him this thing? So he told me also in life you have to behave certain on certain situations. Then when to say no and when to say yes. It's very wise, to think in that way, right?
Yes. It's very essential to take care of yourself also.
Huh,
You feel
yes.
that you are kind and you are is very emotion, full of emotion. Don't
Yeah.
all the time overwhelmed
Your
with
volume,
your
Neelam,
volume, Neelam.
you're getting a call, I think.
Yes. We should not all the time our emotion like we should not feel that all the time overwhelmed. We should control ourselves.
Oh,
So
absolutely.
where yeah, where should we should be how we should we deal the tackle the situation? How should we deal the others? It is art of life, man. It is art of life.
Yes, of course, it is art of life. Yeah, if you think it is art of life, like when you meet some stranger, so how you what precautions one should take while we meet some strangers, like suppose you are traveling, you are on a train, you are on a flight, and like somebody becomes very friendly to you, and that person is a stranger to you because you have never met that person. So in that case, what precautions should you take with the stranger, I mean?
Yes, ma'am. If I talk about earlier, this time, that time, this thing is not going too much. The people are very amicable and very helpful and generous to others. Very
Yes,
easy. When they met, usually in the train, they felt good. At least we are got the company for the traveling and we can. It would be easy for to pass the time. But now these are we have to very vigilant, very alert, vigilant because
yes,
no, I we know we don't know the person how is inside the what kind of feeling inside what
yes,
he the planning inside so there's because there's a lot of scamming is going on so little bit we should alert if there is any need the person is genuine you feel because these days we can't judge anybody it's not
no,
easy to we can't
of course,
figure out the person how is the nature how is it feeling because the people are so diplomat these days and they are very flashy and we can say they are like not real people they
yes,
can treat like they are very good but sometimes they are not like same so that's the reason we should be very vigilant while dealing on like in for the travel but
yes, of course. We
yeah
never know. We never know. That is where it said, no, we can't
yeah
judge a book by its cover. So we
bye
can't how the person is. And we never know how genuine that person is.
yes
Sometimes they become so close to you, they will be friendly to you, and they will cheat you after a while.
yes they may be backstabber ma'am they may be backstabber we should be alert very much while traveling
Of course, yes, yes,
it's going on otherwise if you have little bit generous and kind uh, take some time, pause, take second thought. Should we go at to help or not? Because these days we can't say they are people are so totally not good. They are
yes.
looking friendly, but they are not good.
Yes, of course. Very well said. You answered very well. So, Neelam, like, is it necessary that according to age we should dress and eat accordingly? Like, suppose I'm going to a marriage function, so I
Mhm.
should not wear, according to my age, I should not be wearing that gaudy clothes and the shining dresses. It won't look good on me. So, what do you think? That is it necessary that according to age we should dress and eat also accordingly? Is it?
Uh, uh, Come again, ma'am. I
Yeah.
got, but last part I couldn't be understand. But you,
Yeah, once again, I'm repeating the question. Is it necessary that according to age we should dress up and eat also?
okay, okay. So, these years, actually, what happened, ma'am? Nobody take care anything. The
Yes,
somebody criticize you, they don't care. They turn deaf ear. They know they want to their or they want to their own way to lead to leading the life for leading the life. They don't
yes,
want to any disturbance and their privacy. So every time, everybody, if I go for the any person, the family member, if we disturb them too much, they straightforwardly the answer, it's my life, it's my business.
Right,
So
right.
it's open. But what happened, ma'am, it depends person to person. But in my opinion, little bit, not too much, according to age. Uh, Not much you are growing, so you have to be very serious and you have to be very particular about the aborts and the outfits. No, if you are agile and you are very good at you are full of beans, you can
Yeah,
go everything. There is no matter if you are feel that you are healthy. Eat some whatever you want. You can digest it. It's okay.
yeah,
It's okay.
yeah. We know what kind of things we can digest, what we can't. We very well come to know.
Yes.
So, in gatherings or parties, actually, we should avoid eating, you know. So, we should avoid eating. We know that it's not good for our health, so we can keep away ourselves, right?
Yes. Ma'am.
And yeah, about dress, I asked, in my family, there is one girl, she's a teacher. Not girl, but she's grown up. I think she's maybe around age, her age might be 58 or 56, somewhere like that, her age. And she's a teacher also. So whenever she goes to a marriage function, like she's the attraction of all the eyes. Like
Good.
the people would be waiting for her. Now Preeti's will come. Let's see what kind of a dress she'll be wearing. So like people are very much anxious to know. And she looks very different. Like she has grown up children, like her daughter is married, but still that dress she is wearing, it doesn't look nice. Like people say that it doesn't look nice. But she damn care about people. What
Yeah.
people say. She's not at all, bothered what people will say to her. Because she loves to wear, that's what she wears. But actually, the people make behind her back, people make fun of her.
Fine. Super.
Yeah. So it's her age, and she's wearing like girls that mini skirts and like short dresses and all that. But it doesn't look good on her because her age. I told you she's around 57 or 58, and I told you her daughter is also married, but it doesn't look good. Actually, in my community, such a we are not advanced. That advanced, we are not that advanced, but still she's wearing. But I mean to say, according to age, we should wear the dresses also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Little bit we should careful about the dressing sense because it doesn't mean we are going all the time on way, and sometimes it can be the ridiculous thing, ridiculous matter for the others.
Yes, yes, yes.
Mm.
And it
Yes.
is. And people, I told you, people would be waiting for her. So, like, let's see Preeti when she'll come, what she'll be wearing today. So, like, people are much, anxious to know that. So, just
Mm.
out of fun, just out of fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. And she'll be putting those big flowers and all on her head. So it doesn't look at all, it doesn't look good. But she thinks that I'm looking beautiful.
Mm.
Yeah. So do you believe in surprises? Has anybody given you a surprise and you felt happy? Does it happen on your birthday, on your
No,
anniversaries?
I believe in surprises. I
Yeah.
feel if I surprise someone, I give surprise to other one. But
Yeah.
I never met like this experience in my life.
Okay. 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 Now, but teachers get surprises and gifts. Sometimes from the children.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
happened. I think it doesn't. It didn't happen any time in my life.
Okay. Okay. So, what do you do on Children's Day?
Pardon?
On Teachers Day. On Teachers Day, 5th September. What your school children do that day? They gift you, or what they do?
They give us the gift is also like, but they're not like a surprising way, na?
Yeah.
It's
Yeah. Correct. Correct. Yeah. Okay.
directly flour, sometime chocolate, sometime. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very nice. So you have holiday now on that day?
No,
We
not this school has restarted, ma'am.
Okay. No, no. I mean to say, we need not study that day. Children would be coming in their civil dresses. They won't wear the school dress on that particular day. Like,
No, that particular day, they like they dress themselves like the teacher's appearance.
okay,
Yes,
okay,
they, the man is has outfit with the jeans and top. They also want to. like same to same parents, like their teacher, her teacher, her or his teacher. So that's that time the fun and the very much like we enjoyed that thing.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that life is very nice, children's
Yes,
life.
yes.
And what do you think? Like, which was the best phase for you? Like when you were a child, when you were into adulthood, and now like you are grown up. So what do you feel? What was the best phase of your life?
Man, child, favorite part.
Ah,
Yeah.
definitely,
For
definitely.
everyone, I think so, because then we have our mother, father. We they take care. We are very carefree about everything. We have know about the where from the money is coming and how much we could spend. If we ever care about this, we are so free person like that.
And
That's
in
a
the
reason, no
and, the,
responsibility.
and of course in the kitchen also, like we were so carefree, we never knew what is going to, like what the shortage is in the kitchen, you
Yes,
know,
yes,
what thing is running on, like what is there or what is not there. So like those kind of worries we didn't have that time. Our
yes.
parents were, and we were like we had a carefree life, and like we would play all the time and study, and like very nice life,
Very nice, very nice.
so sometimes we are nostalgic about those
Yes,
days.
yes, yes, ma'am. Same, likewise, ma'am.
Yes, and that time, like I mean to say, that time, if I compare that time from nowadays, it's totally different. Like in the pattern of playing. See,
Yeah,
now the children, they don't want to play outside,
yeah,
outdoor
yes,
games to
yes,
say. Yeah, though they'll be occupied with their mobiles and watching TV and
ma'am.
all.
Even they don't know what kind of the play activity in outdoor they can play. They don't
Yes,
know about the activity. We
yeah,
know.
yeah.
We when we are in our childhood, usually we went out on the street and we spent like 2 hour, 3 hour in the playing like hide and seek, and
Huh,
if you
huh.
know about the stapu and all these things.
Yes, yeah, I also played that. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So really, they don't have this kind of knowledge. What is the this thing and yes,
They,
ma'am.
yeah, they don't know about these games which we played. Like we played that, no, Gilli Danda, you know that?
Yeah, yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah, you and I played that. So there were many games which we played, and nowadays children are confined to their rooms, only rooms.
Rooms only. Only
So,
phone and rooms.
and like the marriages and celebrations and parties, like that culture has been like changed a lot, if I compare that time.
Mm.
Yeah, yeah. So, Neelam, do you have any questions for me, or should I wrap the session?
No, ma'am. Thank you. There is no any question from my side.
Yeah, yeah. It was fun
we have
talking to you.
we have discussed so much nice question. You have already put some nice question.
Oh, but
Really, it's wonderful.
I put nice question, but you answered very well and in a very attractive manner. You answered each and every question.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
and you
you.
answered
Thank
very
you.
clearly.
Really good time I had with you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Neelam, for giving me your time. So, like,
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
I have a good time. Yes.
Bye, ma'am. We connect again.